Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water hose cover in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water hose cover. The water hose cover is mounted at the rear bulkhead inside the drum. It serves as a mounting bracket for the spray nozzle. The most common reason why the water hose cover is replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the old water hose cover, we need to take out this 1/4-inch screw at the bottom. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver, and then we're going to lift this up and remove it. This is the old water hose cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to insert the new cover right in this cutout. Match the hole here. We're going to secure it with the 1/4-inch screw. Now we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.